Hi, it's Morag from our Permaculture Life. I'm just collecting a few seeds from my garden. Have you ever grown radishes? I want to show you what radish seeds look like and radish pods. They're just magnificent. Okay, come and have a look. So these are radish seed pods. Now, they're amazing. They get these really beautiful pointed I'm trying to find some fresh ones here for you. Up here. They get these really nice little pointed caps on them, and then as they dry, once they start to get dry like this is when you can start to harvest them, particularly when they're really brown and dry. So inside here is where you're going to find the radish seeds. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Oh, there's one. You can see all those little brown seeds there. That's it. So what you need to do, let a few of your radishes go to seed in your garden. These ones were just kind of the little radishes. Look there, that was. Leave a few to go to seed. They'll go up, they'll flower. The flowers are edible. Even the young, nice, soft pods are edible. And then you let them wait until they all go brown, collect them, and then just harvest them and you can plant them again next year.